Hi everyone! Welcome to another special edition of InfoNuggets with Amy DIY edition. Today we're going to be talking about how you too can get e-audiobooks from many of the library's platforms such as Libby, Overdrive, and Hoopla off of your phone and into your car's Bluetooth speakers. I promise it's not that hard. Now I can't stress this one enough. Safety is very important. Do not try to do this while you are driving. If you're doing this in your driveway, be sure your car is in park. If you're doing this in your garage, be sure your garage door is up. You do not want to be doing this in a closed garage. So safety is important. Pay attention to your surroundings and be safe during this entire process. So the reason why I'm doing this particular DIY nugget is I've had more patrons say to me that they do not use their Bluetooth in their cars when they're listening to their e-audiobooks. And frankly, this always surprises me a little bit because it just makes the listening experience so much better when you can hear it on your speakers instead of just coming from your phone. So I'm here to tell you today, it's not hard, don't be afraid. Sometimes even putting the time in your microwave is harder than what I'm about to show you. The Bluetooth pairing process, it pretty much walks you through step by step. Doesn't matter what type of phone, what type of car you have. They make it pretty easy these days. So it's not hard, trust me, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's go. For the first step, we want to make sure that your car actually does have Bluetooth capabilities. Not all cars do. The best way to find out is to look inside of your car's owner's manual. There's usually a section where it will talk about how Bluetooth hands-free device programming or pairing. This is going to be your clue that your car is able to handle Bluetooth pairing. Every car is different, so your mileage may vary on the exact precise directions and how this works. So what I'm going to be showing to you today is kind of like a general gist of how it's done, so you know what to expect when you sit down with your own owner's manual. And if you don't have an owner's manual for your car, check with your local library. These things can frequently be found online, and we'd be happy to help you look it up. So when I'm looking at my own directions here, it's saying what I first need to do is hit my pickup button or talk button on my car, which happens to be located on my steering wheel. It might be located on your central console. So this is the process of how it works in my car. Again, probably a little bit different from yours, but it'll give you the idea. So the car is going to start talking to me. Get ready. Setup.
Select one of the following: pairing options, confirmation prompts, language, passcode, select phone, or select music player.
Pairing options.
Select one of the following: pair, edit, delete, list, or set pairing code.
Pair.
Start the pairing process on your Bluetooth device. Your pairing code is 0000. Input this code on your Bluetooth device when prompted by the device. See device manual for instructions. Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Cell phone.
Adding
Cell phone.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Pairing complete.
Woohoo! We did it, guys! Now when it comes time to listen to your stories or your e-audiobooks, the one thing that you do want to make sure is that you have your Bluetooth, or maybe it's your auxiliary button pushed, to make sure that your car knows that you want to listen to something from your phone and not just from your regular radio or Sirius or CD player maybe. So be sure to select that before you start actually listening to something. So when you are ready to go ahead and listen to your audiobooks, all you need to do is open up your Hoopla app or your Libby app or maybe even your Overdrive app. Go to your shelf, find the e-audiobook that you've downloaded. I've chosen Outlander by Diana Gabaldon. I love this series. So I'm just going to open it up, and it brings up the audio menu that you're probably accustomed to if you've already been downloading some of these. I press play, and
to the frenetic post-war gaiety that
pretty
infected more
cool.
popular vacation spots.
So it's coming in right through my speakers, so I can hear it as I'm driving along instead of straining to listen to it coming from my phone. So I hope this helps you out. It makes it for a much more richer listening experience when you're in your car, and it really brings the stories to life. So thanks for watching, and I hope you all have fun with this. Have a great day.